Okay, now that the 10 millimeter bolts were removed from the left and right side of the radiator down about 3/4 of the way, that has completely loosened up the radiator. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the top cover here, and I would highly suggest just getting another person, and we're just going to very easily pull this guard back because you don't want to break the plastic on it. And then we're going to very gently lift this radiator out through here. So you're going to have definitely want a second set of hands. If not, you might want to just use maybe some spreader bars or something if you have them, in order to just pull this plastic back enough for you to get the radiator out. Now I'm probably going to try to maybe bend this in a little bit more just to make sure that I have enough clearance to get the radiator out with no issues as well. You could always probably remove that hood latch too with 10 millimeter bolts. Might make it a little bit easier to get it out as well. But we're going to see if we can do it without it. Otherwise, we'll remove that in order to remove the radiator out. And then we'll be ready to swap for the new radiator and start all over, just reverse engineering what we just did.